ए. भारत का इतिहास, हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया. आर्य मंजूश्री मूल कल्प is related to which of the following? Mahayana. How many Alvars and Nainars are there according to tradition? 12 and 63. The poet of King Bhoj who accepted Jainism was Dhanpal. The Rigvedic Padi belong to which class of citizens? Traders. With which religion is Kalika Puran associated? Shaktism. Which one of the following Brahman texts belongs to the Rig Veda? Aitreya Brahman. What is the total number of sanskar as? 16. Who among the following is not related with the philosophy of Vedanta? Abhinav Gupta. Which of the following Buddhist literature contains the Buddha's sermons on matters of ethics and doctrine? Sutta Pitaka. From which Ved Sanskrit literature has begun? Rig Veda. Ajanta caves are related to which of the following? Jatak stories. Tripitaka is related to which of the following? Buddhist. Who built the Sanchi Stoops? Ashok. In which work of Kalidas the reference of beauty of Amarkantak has been made? Meghdutam. Who was the grandfather of Mahabharat hero Arjun? Vichitraveer. Match the following list 1 with list 2. Atharved medicine related. Rigved praise of God. Yajurved sacrificial method. Samved music. Who plays an important contribution in the ancient Sankhya philosophy? Kapil. Eklavya was the self-styled disciple of Dronacharya. The words Satyamev Jayate inscribed on the India's state emblem are taken from which book? Mundok-nishad. From where is Satyamev Jayate taken? Mundok-nishad. Who said live and let live? Mahavir Swami. First Buddhist council was held in Rajgirh. The Homo erectus skeleton is found from Hathnora. Consider the following statement about the later Vedic period. In this period, eastward expansion of Vedic society took place. Iron was discovered during this period. Both statement 1 and 2 are true. As described in the Rig Veda is metal. Which of the following inscription known as the first advertisement of the world? Daspur inscription. After conquering the Saks, which of the following metal coins were introduced by Chandragupta II? Silver. In which of the following year did Nadir Shah invade India? 1739 AD. Vijayanagar Empire was established in which year? 1336 AD. Who is the author of the book Tehkeek-e-Hind? Al-Baruni. Who among the following Arab writers has given the description of Kalchuri ruler Gangev Dev and his capital Tripuri? Al-Baruni. Which Chandel king faced Mahmud Ghaznavi? Vidyadhar. The unique feature of whose administrative system was the development of village autonomy? Chol. The shape of which tree is found in the seal from the Indus civilization? People. Which of the following medieval town was famous for the printed cotton cloth known as cheet? Sironj. The Malav Samvat was also known as Krit Samvat. Who said the victory of Mandu was the key of victory of South? Amir Khusro. Where was the capital of Raja Veer Singh Dev? Gahora. Who was the original founder of Bhopal State? Dost Muhammad Khan. In what context does Panahi and Upanaha mentioned in the medieval Indian history? Sus. चचनामा के अनुसार 6वीं और 7वीं शताब्दी में सिंधु देश की राजधानी क्या थी? अरोड़. Which of the following inscription reveals information about Silk Weavers Guild? Daspur inscription. Chand Pradot was ruler of which ancient republic? Avanti. The successor of Sher was Islam Shah. The ancestor of Sungs originated from Ujjain. In ancient period, which one was also called as Sarthva Vaishya? Who is called the father of Indian archaeology? Alexander Cunningham. Who adorned Ram Mohan Roy with the title of Raja? Mughal Emperor Akbar II. Which dynasty of Delhi Sultanate ruled for the shortest period? Khilji. Ghazi Malik was the founder of which dynasty? Tughlaq. Ain-e-Mulk Multani did not serve under which of the following rulers? Iltutmish. Whom had Muhammad Ghori defeated in 1194 in the Battle of Chandrawar? Jaichand. Dhangdev was the ruler of which dynasty? Chandels of Jejak Bhukti. Who among the following was not a king of the Parmar dynasty? Gangdev. What was the name of Shivaji's guru? Ramdas. Where is the mausoleum of Sher Shah situated? Sasaram. Who was Niccolo Conti? An Italian traveller who visited Vijayanagar. Khusro was the son of which Mughal emperor? Jahangir. Which Mughal emperor is known by the name of Rangila? Muhammad Shah. Whom had Guru Nanak appointed his successor? Guru Angad. Who was the author of Shahnama? Firdausi. Which of the kings has been mentioned as Priyadarshi and Devnam Priya in inscription? Ashok. Who was the author of Indica? Megasthenes. Herodotus. Which of the following Mughal emperor introduced educational reforms? Akbar. During the rule of Shivaji, the foreign minister was known as Sumant. किस वंश के राजाओं ने खजुराहो स्थित मंदिरों का निर्माण कराया था? चंदेल. Which of the following Rajput dynasty founded the city of Delhi in the 8th century? Tomar dynasty. The Gupta Empire granted tax-free agrarian land to which of the following? Brahmins. Which of the following sultans introduced market reforms? अलाउद्दीन खिलजी. विजयनगर का प्रसिद्ध हजारा मंदिर किसके शासनकाल में निर्मित हुआ था? तुलुक वंश के शासक कृष्णदेव राय. Which of the following is not a composition of Saint Tulsidas? Sahitya Ratna. Which among the following Sikh gurus instituted the Khalsa Panth? Guru Gobind Singh. When was the third battle of Panipat fought? 14 January 1761. Between whom was the third battle of Panipat fought in 1761? Ahmad Shah Abdali and Marathas. Which of the following musical instrument is not of Indo-Islamic origin? Sehnai. The original name of Tansen was Ramtanu Pandey. Which of the following is not an Indus Valley civilization site? Patliputra. Amir Khusro was associated with whose reign among the following? Alauddin Khilji. Mohenjo-daro is situated in which of the following? Sindh, Pakistan. Regarding the Indus Valley civilization, consider the following statement. During this period, cotton was used for manufacturing textiles in India. It was predominantly a secular civilization and the religious element, though present, did not dominate the scene. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Which ambassador of England has followed Jahangir to Mandu from Ajmer? Thomas Throw. Mandala was the capital of Gond. The term for the practice of giving contract for the land revenue collection was Ijara. The historian Abu Fazl was killed by Veer Singh Dev Bundela, who established Diwan-e Mukht-Kharaj. Alauddin Khilji. Who among the following rulers has been mentioned as protector of Varna system? Gautamiputra Satkarni. Who is said to have become the chief of the Jain Sangh after the death of Mahavir? Sudharman. Jivak, the royal physician of Rajgriha, was the son of Ganika named as Salwati. A copper chariot of Harappan time was discovered at Daimabad. Which one of the following was not known to the Harappans? Construction of arches. Which English governor of East India Company in India was expelled by Aurangzeb? Sir John Child. Which Indian king defeated Seleucus, the administrator of Sindh and Afghanistan, appointed by Alexander? Chandragupta. Consider the following statement and select the correct answer from the codes given below. Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Ropar and Kalibangan are important places of Indus Valley civilization. Harappan people developed planned cities with network of streets and drainage system. Both 1 and 2 are correct. At the time of escape from Mughal captivity, Shivaji was imprisoned in which city? Agra. Whom did Babur defeat in the Battle of Panipat? Ibrahim Lodi. In which year did Taimur Lung invade India? 1398 AD. The king of which dynasty of South India sent a messenger to the Roman Empire in 26 BC? Pandey. Where is Nalanda University situated? Bihar. Buddhist center of learning was Vikramshila. When was Gautam Buddha born? 563 BC. Where was Gautam Buddha born? Lumbini. Who wrote the novel Mrignayani? Vrindavan Lal Verma. Where is the largest Buddha stoop in India located? Sanchi. Where did Gautam Buddha deliver his first sermon? Sarnath. Which ruler preached Deen-e-Ilahi? Akbar. In 1565, which famous battle took place? Talikota. On the death of which Muslim ruler of Delhi, historians said the king was freed from his people and they from their king, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Gautam Buddha achieved Mahaparinirvan, Kushinagar. Which dynasty made Orcha the capital of Bundelkhand, Bundelas? The famous Shiv temple in Ellora was built during which dynasty? Rashtrakoot. When did Vasco da Gama reach India? 1498. The first Muslim invasion of India took place in the year 711. Who built Sanchi Stoops? Ashok. Match the following. Carnage in Delhi by Nadir Shah, 1739. First Battle of Panipat between Ibrahim Lodi and Babur, 1526. Second Battle of Panipat between Hemu and Akbar, 1556. Third Battle of Panipat between Marathas and Ahmad Shah Abdali, 1761. Match the following tourist centers: Udaygiri, Vidsa, rock cut caves with sculpture, Bhimbetka, prehistoric rock paintings, Bandhavgarh National Park, Chitrakoot, a pilgrimage associated with Lord Ram. Which was the first European country to establish commercial relations with India? Portugal. What was ancient name of Ujjain? Avantika. Where are the prehistoric rock paintings found in Madhya Pradesh? Bhimbetka. Carbon dating is used to determine the age of fossil. What was the original language of Mughal court? Persian. Who introduced a silver coin rupee? Sher Shah. Who constructed the Ibadat Khana? Akbar. Tansen tomb is situated at Gwalior. Diwane Kohi is related to Firoz Tughlaq. Diwane Kohi is related to Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Gupta era Samvat started by whom? Chandragupta. From whom was the permanent settlement made? लैंडलॉर्ड्स. गोलकोंडा को वर्तमान में क्या कहा जाता है? हैदराबाद. गोलकोंडा वर्तमान में हैदराबाद तेलंगाना में स्थित है. गोलकोंडा राज्य की स्थापना बहमनी साम्राज्य के विभाजन के पश्चात कुली कुतुब शाह ने की थी. 1667 ईस्वी में औरंगजेब ने इसे मुगल राज्य में मिला लिया. गोलकोंडा की खान से ही प्रसिद्ध कोहिनूर हीरा निकाला गया था. जहांगीर महल इज लोकेटेड एट आगरा. Kalidas lived during the reign of Chandragupta II. Harappa is associated with which of the following civilization? Indus Valley Civilization. Territorial rights of Bodhi dynasty extended over which region in 3rd century AD? Tripuri. Which of the following Mahadanas was performed by the Rashtrakoot king Dantidurg at Ujjain? Hiranyagarbha. Yashodharman, who defeated Hun ruler Mihirkul, was associated with Aulikar. Which Chalcolithic site is not located in Madhya Pradesh? Jorwe. To whom the credit is given to start up coin the foremost among the following Kalchuri kings? Gangedev. During the period of Delhi Sultanate, who among the following rulers founded an independent kingdom in Malwa in 1401 AD? Dilawar Khan. The painting during the period of which of the following is known for the love of nature? Jahangir. Which of the following is not correctly matched? वजीर फाइनेंस, दाबिर खास रॉयल कॉरस्पॉन्डेंस, वकील दार, इंचार्ज ऑफ रॉयल पैलेस, बरी चीफ जुडिशियल ऑफिसर. आंसर इज बरी चीफ जुडिशियल ऑफिसर. Who among the following is a saint of Sagun tradition? Shankar Dev. Arrange the following events of Akbar's reign in the chronological order. Abolition of Jizya, conquest of Chittor Fort, conquest of Gujarat, proclamation of Mahajar. The army commanders who were also the federal heads in the Vijayanagar were known as Amar Nayak. Match the following: Gupta ruler, title. Samudragupta, Parak क्रमांक. चंद्रगुप्त टू, विक्रमादित्य. कुमारगुप्त, महेंद्र. स्कंदगुप्ता, क्रमादित्य. The most important source to understand the municipal administrative system of the city of Patliputra during Mauryan period is Indica, the Indus site which is now situated in Kutch region. Lothal. Medieval Chandel dynasty was founded by Nanuk, whose famous work is Ramchandrika. केशव दास. पोथी पढ़ पढ़ जग मुहा, पंडित भया न कोय, ढाई आखर प्रेम का, पढ़े सो पंडित होए. Who wrote these lines? Kabir. Pandit Dwarka Prasad Mishra was the chief editor of which of the following newspaper? Lokmat. Who was the editor of Lokmat newspaper? Pandit Dwarka Prasad Mishra. To which period do the sites of Ellora and Elephanta belong? Rashtrakoot. Who was the author of Mudra Rakshas? Vishak Dutt. Which of the following column is not correctly matched? हरिशंकर परसाई. हंसते हैं रोते हैं रानी, नागफनी की कहानी. भवानी प्रसाद. गीत फरोश, सतपुड़ा के घने जंगल, हिम तरंगिनी. गजानन माधव मुक्तिबोध. चांद का मुंह तेरा है, काट का सपना. केशव दास. रसिक प्रिया, कवि प्रिया. करेक्ट आंसर इज भवानी प्रसाद. गीत फरोश, सतपुड़ा के घने जंगल, हिम तरंगिनी. Who was the correspondent of the newspaper Time published from London in 1857 wrote that nobody in the North India looks at white man's car with friendly view? W. H. Russell. Who is the creation of the Mughal text Maser-e-Alamgiri? Saki Mustad Khan. Who was author of Satyarth Prakash? Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Who was the writer of the book Satyarth Prakash? Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Who is the author of Tariq-e-Firoz Shah Tughlaq? समझे सिराज अफीक Ghiasuddin Burni. Both answers are correct. The Jahaj Mahal of Mandu was built by whom? जहाज महल मांडू में स्थित है। इसका निर्माण गयासुद्दीन खिलजी ने करवाया था। यह महल कापुर तालाब एवं मुंज तालाब के मध्य में स्थित है। तालाब के जल में यह महल जहाज की तरह दिखाई देता है, अतः आयोग ने इस प्रश्न को हटा दिया था। मध्य प्रदेश लोक सेवा आयोग ने इस प्रश्न को मूल्यांकन से बाहर कर दिया है। हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग बिल्ट त्रिभुवन नारायण टेम्पल ऑफ चित्तौर? परमार राजभोज। Which among the following source threw light on the history of Parmar dynasty? नवसाहसांक चरित of पद्मगुप्त, मेरु तुंग की प्रबंध चिंतामणि, उदयपुर प्रशस्ति, all of the above. Who was the author of the book रश्मि रेखा? बालकृष्ण शर्मा नवीन. Which one of the following books is not written by Kalidas? उत्तर रामचरितम. Which of the following ruler built the जंतर महल of मांडू? मध्य प्रदेश के पर्यटन नगरी मांडू में जंतर महल नाम की कोई इमारत नहीं है, अपितु जहाज महल नाम की इमारत है, जिसका निर्माण 1469 ईस्वी से 1500 ईस्वी के मध्य गयासुद्दीन खिलजी के काल में होने के प्रमाण है। मध्य प्रदेश लोक सेवा आयोग ने इस प्रश्न को मूल्यांकन से बाहर कर दिया है। बोट रेस इज द पार्ट ऑफ विच फेस्टिवल? ओनम. द बिगेस्ट बोट रेस इंडिया इज हेल्ड इन केरल. पंचतंत्र originally written by Vishnu Sharma. Which of the following is not included in Char Dham? मानसरोवर. राज तरंगिणी written by Kalhan is associated with which of the following from the history of Kashmir? Which dynasty gave India its famous temple of Khajuraho? Chandel. Which language is most spoken in India after Hindi? Bengali. Subramanyam Bharati was the poet of which language? Tamil. Which of the following name is not related to Sari? Muradabadi. Who founded Gwalior state? Mahadji Sindhia. Kalidas Samman is given for the contribution in which of the following field? Art. The writer of Bikhre Moti, Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. Who wrote the Kamayani? Jaishankar Prasad. Match the following list 1, list 2. Jainism, Pawapuri. Hinduism, Varanasi. Islam, Medina. Christianity, Vatican. How many years ago was the Khalsa Panth established? 300 years. Who is the writer of Bijak? Kabir. Who wrote Abhigyan Shakuntalam? Kalidas. Chandel ruler built Khajuraho. Who built the temples of Khajuraho? Chandel. Godan and Gaban are written by Munshi Premchand. Who was the producer of the famous TV serial Ramayan? Ramanand Sagar. Who is the writer of My Experiment with Truth? Mahatma Gandhi. Kural is a collection of religious poems in which language? Tamil. Where is Rath Yatra festival held? Puri. Who is Khushwant Singh? Writer. Which of the following dance forms originated from the eastern region of India? Manipuri. Kuchipudi is the dance of which state? Andhra Pradesh. Match the following: Bharatnatyam, Tamil Nadu; Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh; Kathak, North India, Uttar Pradesh; Odissi, Odisha. Who wrote Geet Govind? Jaydev. In which city Kumbh Mela is not held? Varanasi. The group of places where Kumbh Fair is held in every 12 years. Prayag, Haridwar, Ujjain, Nasik. Writer of Manas का हंस अमृत लाल नागर. Match the following: रामेश्वरम, तमिलनाडु; द्वारका, गुजरात; सारनाथ, उत्तर प्रदेश; महाकाल टेम्पल, मध्य प्रदेश. In which state is the Jagannath temple located? Orissa. Match the following: मीनाक्षी टेम्पल, मदुरई; वेंकटेश्वर टेम्पल, तिरुमाला, आंध्र प्रदेश; महाकाल टेम्पल, उज्जैन, मध्य प्रदेश; बेलूर मठ, हावड़ा, पश्चिम बंगाल. Match the following: तस्लीमा नसरीन, लज्जा; सलमान रुश्दी, सैटनिक वर्सेस; एमएफ हुसैन, पेंटिंग; रुक्मणी अरुणदेल, डांस. Who is a writer of Chandrakanta? Devki Nandan Khatri. Who was the last Guru of Sikhs? Guru Gobind Singh. Match it. Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma, संतूर प्लेयर; पंडित मल्लिकार्जुन मंसूर, हिंदुस्तानी म्यूजिक; वीजी जोग, वायलिन प्लेयर; अली अकबर खां, सरोद प्लेयर. Who of the following is the best dancer of Kathak? Birju Maharaj. Charak Samhita is a book related to treatment. The architect who designed the Bharat Bhavan of Bhopal, Charles Correa. शिव कुमार शर्मा, शास्त्रीय वादन; कुमार गंधर्व, शास्त्रीय गायन; बिरजू महाराज, शास्त्रीय नृत्य; राकेश शर्मा, अंतरिक्ष यात्री. During whose period did the famous Chinese traveler named Huan Song came to India? Harsh. Yamini Rai was painter. Author of the book India from Karjan to Nehru is Durga Das. Dilwara Jain temple is on Aravali mountain in Mount Abu. Whose composition is Saundra-Nand. Ashwa Ghosh. The author of The Golden Gate is Vikram Seth. Nirmala is written by मुंशी प्रेमचंद. शांति निकेतन पश्चिम बंगाल के किस जिले में स्थित है? वीरभूमि. In which city Ajanta and Ellora caves are located? Aurangabad. Who is the author of The Evolution of Provincial Finance in British India? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who built Sanchi Stoop? Ashok. Whose composition was Chandrayaan? Mulla Daud. Purna Chandoday was the newspaper in which language? Marathi. Who wrote Saraswati Kanda Bharan? King Bhoj, whose composition was Kumar Sambhav. Kalidas. Now Sankcharit book is based on which Parmar ruler's life? Sindhu Raj. Which of the following folk dance is mentioned in Padmavat Rai? In which historical inscription the construction of Sun Temple is mentioned? Mandsaur inscription. What is the name of Omkareshwar Mandhata? Who wrote the Brihat Samhita? Varah Mihir. Who wrote the Mandsaur inscription? Vats Bhatti. Baba Haridas, the teacher of Tansen, was the native of which of the following place? Vrindavan. The author of the play Mudra Rakshas was Vishak Dutt. The Kitabul Hind is written in Arabic language. The Battle of Ten Kings is associated with Rig Veda. In which of the following year was the freedom of press given by Lord William Bentinck? 1835 AD. Who among the following started Ganeshotsav in Maharashtra? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Paramhans Mandali was established in which state? Maharashtra. Pratna Sabha was established in Maharashtra. Indian nationalism in the middle of the 19th century was in embryonic stage. Was a historian with regard to the fact Dr. R.C. Majumdar and Dr. S.N. Sen. Who founded the Adi Brahma Samaj? Devendranath Tagore. In which year the Hindu Widow Remarriage Act was passed? 1856. All India Muslim League was founded in the year 1906. The Scientific Society was founded by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Who was the founder of Brahmo Samaj? Ram Mohan Roy. Ramakrishna Mission has been founded by Swami Vivekanand, whose name is associated with the Parliament of World's Religions held in Chicago in 1893. Swami Vivekanand. When did Swami Vivekanand delivered his speech in World Religion Conference in Chicago City? उपयुक्त प्रश्न की व्याख्या देखें. Which Governor General abolished the sati system? Lord William Bentinck. Go back to Vedas. Who said this? Dayanand Saraswati. Match the following. Ben Kingsley acting. Helen Keeler. Blind author. Homi Bhabha, scientist. Dondo Kesav Karve, social reformer. The Banaras Hindu University was established by Madan Mohan Malviya. Which of the following statement is not correct? Mahatma Gandhi was born in Gandhinagar.